You pooped inside when the Roomba was going off. You're killing me, bro.
Tired of your robot vacuum turning pet messes into a disaster? Don't worry, let Extravis V5 drive away the troubles. V5, the world's first TangleCutter with robust tangle cutting system. Hair is easily absorbed without tangle. The room is filled with pet odors, which make you feel uncomfortable. V5 built-in deodorant diffuser, which can effectively remove pet odors and bring you fresh air. Extravis V5 special cat laser function enable your cat's love to exercise and maintain healthy. Equipped with floor mopping function which can remove dirt and stains easily. Up to 8,500 pascal suction, mana-level particles can be picked up whether it is on the carpet or normal floor. Automatically return to the base station after cleaning. 3L dust bagging station automatically collect dust and debris for up to 75 days, greatly save your time. Extravis V5, not just plain. Follow us for more innovative and emerging products. Don't miss the details. Read the description below.